Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about physics. The topic today that is about acceleration and velocity. So now I want to show you how to answer. The formula of this one, we have v equal to v0 plus a, and we have delta t. So we need to know that they accelerate from rest. So from rest, that means v0 equal to number 0 because we don't have the speed in here. So we have a that is about this one. And velocity that is about this one. However, they have different units. Now we need to convert kilometers per hour into meters per second. So to do about this one, we need to know that 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meters in here. So this one we need to multiply by 1000 meters per 1 kilometers. Later that we know 1 hour equal to 3600 seconds. So we multiply by 1 hour over 3600 seconds. So we calculate these numbers in here. We have 25 over 3 meters per second. So I will put 25 over 3 on here. And now we can find about delta t. So we divide both sides by 0.08. So this one you got number 0 in here. And we have 104.17 seconds. But on the question on the minute, so we just divide by number 60 and we have the final answer. And that's about 1.74 minutes. This is the end. Thank you for watching.